Hello everybody, my name is Revolutionizing and today I want to present to you RiseTech. I will explain who we are, what we do, and most importantly, which problems we solve. Alright, let's begin. Like every startup, RiseTech started with solving a couple of pain points. And the pain points that we had were having endless passwords or using your childhood password that you've created, for example, for your Facebook account over 10 years ago, or not always having the right ID card with you. Now, the solution that we had in mind was that users can verify themselves just by having their mobile phone with them. Therefore, we have the slogan, one app, one solution, meaning that within the wallet stored in your phone, you can have your student ID, employee ID, loyalty card, or any type of identification card stored on your phone that you can use to verify yourself. Now, let's start with our sub-service called BoardingFi. With BoardingFi, we onboard users and we allow them to go through a complete eKYC verification check within less than 5 minutes. Now, usually an onboarding may take a couple of hours. HR will require some information from you. They need to verify your passport, which mostly happens manually as well. And with our BoardingFi portal, the user gets onboarded very fast, and whatever information the company needs gets exported to the HR IT department in the way that they would like to receive the data, let's say. We cover over 8,000 different documents and over 180 countries, meaning that we can onboard anybody from almost any country. And everything is fully customizable, meaning that whatever field, whatever information the company would like to receive during the onboarding, we can change those fields in our portal. All right, let's talk about the main service called Unify ID. Now, as the name implies, unified identification system. With Unify ID, we allow our customers to provide their users, let's say, to go completely passwordless by using employee cards, loyalty cards, you can name it collaboration cards. Unify ID is the ecosystem where we provide, together with our customers, digital ID cards. Now, what can you do with an ID card? You can go completely passwordless, or you can reduce passwords, meaning that you can allow your users to verify themselves and to change their own password whenever they need to reset their own password instead of calling the IT department, for example. Enhance B2B collaboration and efficient access management. I will cover these points during our next video where I will show you our demo. Everything is managed through the My Unify ID dashboard, meaning that we want our customers to be as independent as possible by using our dashboard, meaning that they can revoke cards, issue new cards, add admins, and have a complete overview of who has access to what. The target market of RiseTech, we target highly regulated industries because we know that compliance is of utmost importance. Think about, for example, insurance companies, government institutes, or the gambling industry, or companies with a high customer or employee churn rate. Therefore, we have BoardingFi, meaning that where there's, if there's a company that has a lot of employees that come and go, for example, with BoardingFi, you can onboard them very fast, and then with the My Unify ID dashboard and Unify ID, you can then revoke the card after the termination of the contract. So think about hospitality industry or, for example, the telecommunication. Now, tech companies, why? Endless passwords, a lot of cyber attacks, and now also deepfakes happening. So with our solution, we simplify all identification methods. RiseTech's key strength, eKYC service through the BoardingFi platform. Now, as mentioned before, we cover a broad range of documents. Everything is safely stored in the Microsoft Authenticator application, meaning that we're not requesting users to download an external app. If they are already using the Authenticator application, that will be the wallet where the ID cards are stored. Broad integration possibilities because we want Unify ID also to be integrated with major ERP and CRM systems. Think about, for example, Odoo, SAP Business One, for instance. Now, our future vision is that the Unify ID mobile application, which is in our pipeline, we wanted it to be connected to the EU digital identity wallet, meaning that we want to verify users instantly and connect it to their wallet instead of going through a eKYC process where a passport, for example, is needed, with the grand vision of RiseTech becoming an established global trust system. Meet the team. I'm Revolutionizing myself, Bahadur Singh, my co-founder, Manuel Munoz Ugalde, our third co-founder, and then we have our amazing product manager, Akanshka, head of design, Luigi, and the team is currently growing as well. All right. Thank you for listening to my video, I guess, and let's go on to the next.